Your ape's being molested by Maddie. You hear Addie talking to you, huh? He says if you don't get up, he's going to hump your ape again. There he goes. We have to get him fixed. It's time. Otherwise, he's going to start humping everything on the planet. He just humps the monkey?
Yeah. He's never done anything
Maddie. I don't know. He looks like he's trying to get this other one in position. Oh no, there he goes. See, he's only doing it because he's bored until you get out of bed. All right, it's time to get up.